The workshop's it's called Nature in the City, and it's all about seeing ways in which we can get people to start think about how you can reconnect to nature while you're in the city. We developed a methodology which we call the stage method, and the stage method is where you place the issue you're looking at, that being now nature in the city, and you start to explore it from different perspectives. I set them some homework before the brief and then asked them to start already to think about noticing moments where there might be a connection in their daily routine, in what they're doing, living in Madrid, where they could get a connection with nature. In the project, I think this hopefully is going to sort of open their kind of like perspectives, and so they can get hopefully a deeper and a richer understanding of the subject tackling in their major project. So by exploring all of these things, they can a richness in their project which might not otherwise necessarily be there.